good evening. Robin Cooper here, and today's song is called Revolving Door. And so I've got like this little revolving door back here, and Polly's going to sing about it. And it just a silly little song because I saw a revolving door the other day, and I thought it was kind of cool. And so I wanted to write about it. And I want to invite you to the channel under Robin Cooper Puppet Power. That's under YouTube. And you can find many videos there to choose from, many different styles of songs, all written by me. And I do I do everything for those of you who are new and just starting to check me out. I am a highly functioning autistic person, and I do record all the different parts of the instruments, as well as all the vocal styles. That's all me. So I want to let you know about that. And also I want to thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your views and your support, enthusiasm. And if you like my stuff, please share with a friend. And also, if you could hit the like button, that would be really helpful as well. So here we go with Revolving Door. And hopefully you enjoy it. And we're going to have the door revolve a little bit behind us here. So that'll be kind of cool maybe.
Revolving, revolving, revolving door. Revolving, 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 revolving door. Where does it stop? It doesn't. It's found someone. Have you seen these? They used to be everywhere. When I was younger, it was a thing to take note of. Basically, I'd stop and stare. Wow, this is kind of cool. Revolving, 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 revolving. Where does it stop? It doesn't look like it's going to stop anymore. Revolving, revolving, as it spins around and around. The people enter and then are in a type of merry-go-round. Some are made of glass, others are not. I've always been fascinated, but I don't use them. Revolving, 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 revolving. Where does it stop? It doesn't, it just spins some more. Revolving, 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 revolving. Where does it stop? It doesn't, it spins, it spins, it spins, it spins some more. Revolving, 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 door. Revolving, revolving, door. Revolving, 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 door. Revolving, revolving.